Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change brightness of the screen on the iPhone. So there are two ways actually to do this, and today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS, it is all going to work the same. So the first option is just to swipe down and open the control center. So from the right side of your screen, and here with this, sun icon, you can adjust your brightness. So from the lower ones to a little bit higher, as you can see, this is how it works. And the second option is to adjust brightness through the settings. So go to the settings, then you want to open the display and brightness. And here, as you can see, you can adjust the brightness of your screen also. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!